Good evening, everyone. This is chest number 313. I perceive three characters in my story. Two male of age 24 and one of 55, and one female of age 50. Uh, the action of my story is the boy helping his parents. Uh, uh, the boy is named Ram, and they have come to the railway station. And he has come to the railway station with his parents to drop them off on this train, which will take them to their hometown, as they wanted to live. They didn't want to live in the loud life of a city, so they will be returning. But they are in sad mood because they will have to leave their grandson behind in the city. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. This is chest number 314. I have persuaded a 45-year-old woman and 50-year-old man to receive their son of 19-year-old. He came from his college in his vacation to meet his parent and can have a lovely time with them. And there is a coolie who is carrying luggage of his. Man and woman are happy to see their son after a long time and eager to spend time with him.
Continue, please. Next chest number. Narrate your story in the PPDT. Has everybody completed? House is open for discussion. Discussion will be 10 minutes. Those who have not completed the narrative stories, they can participate in the group discussion. 249, would you like to speak your narration? 296. 296 and 249, you are given second chance to speak on narration.
Yes, sir. Good evening, everyone. This is December 296. So, I have noticed four characters. Three is male and three are men, and one is female. So my main character in here is about 37 years old, and action of my narration is helping with honest. So Ram is a 37 years old man. He's a police officer in his local village, and finally he had transferred in another city. So he need to go with his wife at his new posting. So at the railway station, he met with old friends, and they are talking. They are talking nicely, and after that, well, they are talking nicely. So,
all right, chest number 249, go ahead, please. Chest number 249, last chance to you to narrate your story in the PPDT.
Then everyone, this is chest number 249. In my story, there are four main characters, three male and one female. And the main hero is male named Tanya, whose age is 19 years, and all their moods are positive. And the title of my picture is Returning Home of a Soldier. Tanya was a brilliant young man who got selected in the Jawan and completed his course. While on the journey, there was a person whose ticket was lost. Only till this month. Thank you.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, with the PPDT Ankur Group Association, now you are into the group discussion part. You have finished the story writing, flashed in 30 seconds. Imaginative qualities have come out. You have submitted the script, and you have also narrated the story one by one. All of you have listened to it in a group of 10 candidates, and now there is a requirement to carry out a good group discussion in a healthy, constructive manner to arrive at a common story, which would be represented by one of you who will be emerging as a leader on spot during the next 10 minutes. Keep your points valid, logical, and crisp, and find the story flowing in a conclusive manner. Time starts now. Start the story. Start the group discussion now.
Good evening, everyone. I perceive the characters, basically the main characters, and the main character I perceived as Ram, who is traveling somewhere and seems in an age of brackets of 20. So I made a story around he just cleared the CDS exam and is going to give his SSB where he gets recommended.
Friend, we have already listened your story. Can we please talk about the main characters and the number of characters and background?
Okay, we can assume that mainly 3 characters there. The characters can be assumed that the parents and their son, that he is going to somewhere related to that chess number 115 said, and also so many others said that he is going to going for SSB, and we can notice that these 3 people are looking somewhere in that railway station, and something happened there. Is there something happened there? So they are in negative mood that they watched something else there, and that time the main character of this story is that person who is standing the train, and we can assume that he is the main hero of ours, and he went to that place to help the person or anything that happened there. Can we assume that?
Yes.
The main character of my story is Ram, who gave some monetary help to the coolie to make sure that his children goes to school and study, as they are the youth and building the backbone of the nation.
I think first we decide the character. There are 4 characters, 3 male and 1 female.
Yes, there are 4 characters.
All are in a
according
positive
to my
mood.
story.
Yeah,
And
all are
his
in
age,
positive mood.
And most of us has made the main character the one who is standing in the train.
Right.
The main character.
Yes,
Most
yes,
of us have made this.
Main character
And
is
at
standing
the
in the
same
train.
time, his age is between 20 to 25. And the rest,
Okay.
a male and the female other who is in a younger age, let it be 45 to 50. And this is a scene of a platform. Now, we will carry on the discussion on it.
So as we all came to a point that the main character is actually traveling to somewhere, some place, and we
Yes,
can see
yes.
that the other 2 members are his family member. One is a coolie. So we can say he might be going for a walk, or he might be going for an interview or something.
Yes, definitely. Most of us has made it to the SSB, but let us take to the bigger platform. Like he's going to represent his project to somewhere in the international level.
I think I'm a genius student in my real life. When I was going to my college, my mother and my brother always see off me in my station, and
Yes. I totally agree with you. 27, like when you're going to travel to next place, like you're going to study in different city, your parents come to see you off on the stations, and that is also one scenario.
Yes. We always take our parents' blessing when we go to do something very big, like be it moving to a new station or moving to a new place to showcase their project, to be in.
So our main character is a
international level.
college student. First we decide that
Yes.
our main character is college student.
Okay, we can come to the point what's happened next, that in that picture we can see that they are looking to and something else in that took place there. Something happened there.
Okay, so can we all agree on the point that the main character is traveling to some place, that could be SSB or the work, or shifting to a different place, and the parents are here to see of them?
Yes, I totally agree with you. At the same time, let's discuss the motive of being in traveled. Like he's traveling, what is the motive behind this? This is the main thing.
While he was traveling,
It can differ from
something
people
that-
to people, and it might differ action also. Like some might think he might be traveling to SSB, some might think there's a difference in we can conclude like he is going to do some work or something, or some projects or some interviews.
we can conclude that most of us said that he is going to SSB or something like that. So we can conclude that he is
Yes, yes.
going to for a interview or SSB. he's going for an SSB.
Is an interview as like we all are in the same brackets. That is a common scenario now we can say. So he's going for SSB first time, and his parents are here to see of them and give him blessings, and he get enough when he goes SSB, he gets recommended and comes back with flying color.
Does recommendation
Yeah,
really?
I think a person standing beside the woman is like a boy, is not like a male, like a dominant male. So I think his brother, not parents, including mother and brother, can see of him.
Okay, so we can conclude. We can also say their family is there to see of them.
Yes, you are right. This is the
Is only we should conclude that he's going to SSB, or he's something happened there, that he take an adventurous thing to help others or anything. It will be good to indicate his own personality.
All
that,
right.
he is
GTO's intervention in the mentoring of thoughts. 50% of the participants are participating in the group discussion. 50% of the participants are not yet involved themselves and not even initiated the discussion. We would like to hear each and every participant in the discussion so that it becomes more participative, involved, and your thought process must flow. Go ahead, 312, 313, 314, 296, 290, 249, 288. You all are not yet spoken in the discussion.
I think the both parents are coming to coming for the platform, and the boy is going for the SSB interview. I think this will be much better story.
I
Yes,
think they are welcoming him.
yes.
Yes, we can conclude that he is going for SSB, but we are concluding that he is going to SSB and he is clear. But can we indicate a special situation for the to point his ability to help others, or ability to show his officer-like quality? In that, can we assume that he's there to place a problem, or there's to place a situation to indicate his
Exactly, my
own
friend.
OLQs?
I think
But counseling,
image is simple. So don't we get OLQ in that picture?
Yeah,
We can make it
I
simple.
also
story on
support
that.
27 that we should keep the story simple. Not every thing is related to OLQs. We can see a story, and the candidate has actually working hard to achieve something. So it
Yes.
we suggest he is hardworking and everything, and he can get the success.
There
Okay,
might
can
be
we
a
conclude that
possibility
he's going to SSB?
the person who's right to the woman has given some monetarily help to the coolie, and the person who was on the train is the TC. He's calling both of them कि आप जल्दी board करो train को, as the time is running out. और इसमें it shows as he has given some monetary help to the coolie. इससे ये दिखता है कि एक kind of a moral दिख रहा है कि आपको education promote करना चाहिए.
All right, test number 288. Test number 288, go ahead. 314, 313.
Yes, according to my perception, there is a person who is standing in the train. He is a relaxing mode. Then how can we take a person as a SSB candidate? We can take him as a TT or any other person who is standing in the train, and the women and the men who are standing in the platform, they are missing their luggage and they are searching for the bag and place a and make a complaint for this back to the RPF.
296, 249, 296, 249, 314, 313.
Yes, I agree with test number 258 because Coolie is also in the center part of the picture, so he also comes under the quality of all the main character out there. So we cannot just exclude him. And regarding the idea of being an SSP candidate, so it totally cuts off the Coolie. So I think we should include him as well. in the story.
Also, I think the character on the male character on the station seems much younger than the person who is standing on the train. So if we are sending the child for the SSB exam, so it should be the kid on the boy on the platform, not the person on the train. The person could be a TT or any passenger that in the
276,
train already.
276 please.
Friend, the person is not wearing the uniform as we have seen in the court, basically.
271,
So we
271,
cannot make him
271,
TT.
271 participate.
The boy standing on the train was of our age, approx 20 to 25. So we can't say him that he was a TT. So I think the discussion was on that the boy was going for the SSB, and I think it is correct.
Last 30 seconds, please conclude the story. Nominate the leader. Last 30 seconds.
टेस्ट नंबर 276 टीटी यूनिफॉर्म नॉर्मल यूनिफॉर्म होती है, उसमें से कुछ अलग नहीं होता, अलग नहीं पहनते टीटीज.
टेस्ट नंबर 258 टीटी यूनिफॉर्म ब्लैक कोट पहनते वो लोग, ऐसा कोई कोट या ब्लेजर नहीं पहना टीटी, तो उसकी यूनिफॉर्म मैच नहीं कर रही.
Conclude the story, nominate the leader. Please conclude the story, nominate the leader.
Okay, we can conclude that he is going. The person who is standing the train can be the hero, and we can note that coolie also, and we can said that he is accompanied with his parents and he is going for SSB. And while he saw it coolie, and he tell about the education.
Nominate the leader, please. Nominate the leader.
टेस्ट नंबर 215.
Chess number 276.
टेस्ट नंबर 276.
Thank you everyone for nominating me. Are everyone okay with me to say the final verdict of our conclusion?
Okay, please go ahead.
Yes.
Please go ahead.
Yes.
Move ahead.
Thank you. So we have perceived three characters: the male, who is the age of 22 years in a positive mood, and the a male and a female age between 45 to 50 years in a positive mood. The action of our story is going for SSB. So the main character, who is Ram, he's a hardworking person, and with his hard work he cleared the CDS exam, and now his SSB is coming. He's very passionate to join armed forces. So he was standing on a platform on a train, and his father and mother came to the station to see him off, and with his blessings he go to the SSB, and with his hard work and dedication he cleared the screening stage and stayed there for 5 days, and he gave his best and performed really well. Thank you.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, so that was the story of this picture perception description test of stage 1 screening test of the SSB, which you all just underwent as a live practice under the Ankur Group Advanced Series classes. And we had a clear understanding of 6 elements that are required in this: perception, written form of communication, that is script writing. Number 3, oral form of communication, that is narrative. Then number 4, group discussion, argumentative ability and ability to influence the group and convince with your points to a conclusive view. And number 6, emerging as an on-spot leader to convey the point on behalf of the group. Remember, first 3 elements: imagination, that is psychological maturity, your script writing, and your narrative, spoken form. All 3 are individual traits. And in the group discussion, it is a group behavioral traits. And again, as a leader, you have to be individual but with the responsibility. So PPDT is a complex process. In this exercise, you may have realized some of you went in different directions and some of you were almost there. 4-5 of you almost made a small group on which you were started agreeing to each other, and 3-4 of them were little behind. They were not speaking, not participative, for which the mentor had to intervene, and 1 or 2 were off the track, in which they were speaking in an imagination which was little different and not limited to the student or the parents or something like that, and they went to the coolie and the motives of helping them, etc., etc. So remember, PPDT has a requirement to be diversified. Imagination needs to be diversified, but it has to be within the track of the whole picture and within the frame of the picture. It should be flowing from the picture and have some common understanding, common imagination, which is valid by this small group. If you are able to remain within the common grid and common observation, common responses of yours, and thereafter minor verifications of mood, age, gender, family members, whether they are going for SSP or for a artificial intelligence a demonstration, or they are coming up after the success of some classes. All this is just a minor verification. Theme is going same. A boy being visited by the family member at the station for seeing him off for a journey. Mother is little sentimental and father is serious about his future, and he will bring laurel to the family. That is what is the main meaning of this whole story. And those who are remaining within this frame of the story, they would be generally okay. Obviously, to describe the platform, there is a train, there is a coolie, and there is a environment. So that has been created. Although every part of the story, every picture member of the story may or may not contribute to your flow of thoughts. But in case you are going towards coolie or something like that, then there has to be some action happening wherein attention of the people should be drawn towards the coolie, which probably is not in this picture. But yes, if somebody really wants to frame imagination to the helping of a coolie at a humanitarian ground, it can be done, and he or she may not be wrong. But then the group has to agree, and you need to convince. And if you can't, then you may have a slight off the track situation. So kindly remember to flow with the flow. Okay. So that's about the PPDT today. On this session, all of you have got the frame of mind and understanding and a live participation. Kindly do involve, do not keep quiet, don't remain silent, and try to participate, initiate at first speaker, second speaker, third speaker. Learn from others, remember the narrative points, try to inject your thoughts, go towards conclusion, and do not teach OLQ in this. Do not say think, do not say may, do not say we will do or we may do or may not do. Those are not conclusive views of yours. You should be firm, clear in your speaking, pick up your correct words, be very, very firm, and in your views must be well thought, clear and crisp, so that others can take it as you want and not as you feel. Okay, so that's it for the day. Any questions anybody has?
Sure, I have one thought, sir.
Yes, please.
Do we need to give awareness in PPDT, sir?
Awareness means?
Awareness means just like the team which it's needed for other people.
You have to develop a broad picture and a broad story which should give a broad message to the society, to the people. A conclusive view should be not for the individual, not for the centricity. It should be broad-banded, and the conclusion should be towards a broader view of life, wherein some constructive, healthy outcome comes of the story. Okay. Next question, please.
Sir, I want to know something.
Yeah.
Sir, most of us has made the story regarding the SSB, whereas the story has no weightage, like any kind of things or action. We cannot add any action to it. So is it a good story?
There is nothing like good or bad story in the PPDT. It has to be accepted by the people in mass. So please do not get centricity involved into it, that whose story is good. it needs a comparative analysis. So SSB, artificial intelligence, completing a course or going first time out of the house for a travel, adventure, anything, cricket, sports, captain, anything is possible. It doesn't make any difference. Yes, if you're writing SSB, and in all the stories in TAT also you write about defense and SSB, obviously it becomes a typed and artificial kind of thought process of an individual. So it is not one exercise which matters in SSB, it's a trained which matters in SSB. So feel free to write what you feel, but be constructive and understand the SSB in entirety, in totality of the 5 days. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, that's all for the day. We have completed this exercise, and now we will be meeting tomorrow with another one. See you tomorrow. Have a nice day and good day. Jai Hind.
Jai Hind, sir.
Thank you very much.
Jai Hind, sir.
Sincha.